up to Ouen Flea Market because I absolutely love to walk through there, just particularly when the weather is starting to change. I think it's really fun, always cool to see like what sort of little knickknacks I might be able to get for the apartment. Of course, don't need any, but love vintage knickknacks nonetheless. But I just think it's a really fun place to get a little bit of inspiration and to enjoy some pretty things and to just have a moment and relax and chill and just walk. So that is what we are going to do. I'm going to go walking through Saint-Ouen this morning and I'm about to take you along. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here is the best way to get to Montmartre. What you do is you don't come up at Epses, which is the normal metro stop. Instead, you go one stop over Montmartre Clignancourt or the other one after that, Jules Joffin, and you take the bus 40. The reason why you do this is because then you come up on the top of the hill of Montmartre, like the other side of Montmartre, and you can take the bus all the way to the top of the hill, which I consider Sacré-Cœur, and then it minimizes the walking and the stress of everything. Choo-choo. How is the food that you just ordered?
The worst restaurant ever. You can't imagine to make a croque monsieur as bad. It's not possible. Even if someone asks me, make it bad, I just can't.
And this
is... It was disgusting.
And this is why I never eat in Montmartre.